Hello, my name is Płamen. I would like to share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. As with the last release, this SecureTransport update does not impact current configurations. That means you can install it on top of SecureTransport 5.5 GA or any following 5.5 updates. If you're installing SecureTransport for the first time, check our README or installation guide for the detailed procedure. We have increased the overall product security by making the default HTTP configuration options secure, adding new SSH keys, enabling secure SMTP notifications, and updating several third-party libraries. For a complete list of third-party libraries in SecureTransport and their current version, please refer to the third-party software and licenses document. Now, let's look at the functional enhancements in the release. As of the July release, in addition to PostgreSQL 12, SecureTransport supports PostgreSQL 14 as a database for enterprise cluster. PostgreSQL supports version 12 until November 2024, and version 14 until November 2026. Following our security policy, we upgraded or migrated the user interface libraries to new technologies. And as a part of an ongoing project aimed at more intuitive admin UI pages and modernization via React and Fluent UI web components, the ICAP settings and network zones were redesigned. The extended PeSIT transfer profile functionality, which we introduced 3 months ago, is out of beta and is now ready for use in production environments. This feature allows administrators to set different transformations for the sent and received files. If you have used the feature in its beta state, please be sure to adapt your configurations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.